Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. Today in this AutoCAD tutorial, we will learn how we can add Google Map to AutoCAD, rather how we can import Google Map in AutoCAD, and we are using AutoCAD LT software for this. Here you can see Autodesk AutoCAD LT 2021. You can use AutoCAD or AutoCAD LT, whichever you feel like. AutoCAD LT won't have any 3D workspace, only used for 2D drawings. So this tutorial is all about AutoCAD GIS, Geographic Information System, where you can find any particular location, any plot, then find area of that and make a site plan in AutoCAD using Google Map. And it's very helpful for AutoCAD Civil and AutoCAD Architecture students. So before inserting Google Map in AutoCAD, we will set the units first. So type UN and press enter. Length type should be decimal and set the insertion scale to meters and then press OK. Then go to Insert tab and then click on this downwards arrow in the location panel. Then click on From Map. We want to use online map data, so click on Yes. You must have active internet connection to use this function. So the GIS is opening. Now we can search for any location. I'll search for Kolkata, the beautiful city. So type Kolkata and press enter. Now I want to go to some specific location in Kolkata. So I'll type Esplanade and then press enter. So here is the Esplanade metro station. You can zoom in by scrolling up. So here is the famous Eden Garden Stadium. And here is the Rabindra Setu, famously known as Howrah Bridge, commissioned in 1943, built in British era. Now suppose we want to calculate the area of this plot. So we need to drop our marker here. For that, just left click on this plot, then right click and click on drop marker here. So it's done. Then click on next. Now I'll set the GIS coordinate system to world Mercator. Set the time zone to GMT plus 530, the Indian time zone. Drawing units should be meters. And then click on next. Then we need to select a point for the location. So just right click to stick it to origin. Then we have to specify the north direction. I'll press F8 to turn the ortho on. Click anywhere upwards to specify the north direction. Here it comes. Press F7 to turn the grid off. Zoom in. Here is the Howrah Bridge and the plot where we have dropped the marker. Now suppose I want to check the length of the bridge. So I'll use dist command, type DI and press enter. Then click at this end. Turn the ortho off again by pressing F8. And you can specify second point at this end. So it's showing 705. So it's more than accurate. You may check the length of the bridge using Google. Now suppose I want to find the diameter as well as the area of this ground, the famous Eden Gardens. For that, type C and press enter. Then click on 2-point option in the command line. Then you can click at the two endpoints like this to draw the circle. Then give dist command and click at the two endpoints as shown. So it's near about 150 meters. Now to find the area of the ground, type area and press enter. Click on object in the command line and then select the circle. So it's about 18,000 square meters. Circumference is 480. Now let's zoom into this plot and find the area. I can use area command directly, but let's draw a polyline first. So type PL and press enter. Click at the four corners of this plot. Always right click to exit from any command. Now give area command. Click on object in the command line. Then select this polyline. So the area is approximately 920 square meters. Now if you want a particular area, not the full map in AutoCAD, then you can select between these two options. You can select the area yourself, clicking on capture area, and viewport is the currently zoomed area in the screen. Here it is. Now you can click on map off to hide the remaining portion except the viewport. You can change map styles from here. This is to remove location. You can edit location as well. You can reorient the marker as well. And you can select this viewport and erase it as well. So this is how Google Map is used in AutoCAD. I hope you guys have learned something new today. So please like and share the video if you like it, and do subscribe the channel to get more such interesting tutorials on CAD. So that's it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.